Good morning everyone. My name is Maratha from grade 8. Today I am going to tell today's day again. Today's day is Thursday and today's date is 16 January 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Smith from grade 8. Today I am going to tell today's thought of the day. The thought is success is the result of courage and continuous effort. It means we must always keep trying and we will achieve success in all endeavors. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Good morning everyone. This is Shreya Sangave from grade 8.
This is Saundarya Barman from grade 8.
This is Tanishka Landre from grade 8. I am Sara Mullah from grade 8.
Today we are going to tell you today's importance of the day. Today we are observing National Startup Day.
Do you know when was National Startup Day first celebrated?
Yes, it was first celebrated on January 16, 2022 as announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
But I was wondering, why do we celebrate this day? We celebrate National Startup Day to honor the spirit of entrepreneurship in India, to recognize new innovative startups and inspire young minds to contribute to the nation's economic growth.
So, this was all about the National Startup Day. But can you tell me what? Now, there is one more importance of the day, that is about Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. So, can you tell me who was Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj?
Yes, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj was the second emperor of the Maratha Empire, known for his bravery, administrative skills and dedication to protecting his people.
Now, I would like to know, why is Rajyabhishek being celebrated on January 16? This day marks the coronation of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj as the ruler of Maratha Empire.
Now, can we talk about the major contribution of Sambhaji Maharaj?
Of course, he defended the Maratha Empire from the Mughal invasion and also he worked towards protecting Hindu culture.
Last but not the least, I want to discuss with you all the challenges Sambhaji Maharaj faced during his reign. He faced the continuous wars with Mughal and other enemies, yet remained a symbol of courage and resilience. Additionally, we should also discuss what lessons we can learn from the life of Sambhaji Maharaj.
The importance of courage in adversity, the needs to protect one culture and values, the strength of strategic leadership.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School emphasize that we should learn the value of creativity, problem solving and taking initiative. Let us be inspired by the spirit of innovation and fearless leadership.
And startups show that great ideas with determination